かわいいクッキングへようこそ。
Hello everyone! Today I show you how to prepare O-zoni, which is a traditional soup served during New Year's holiday. Commonly it's called O-zoni. It varies greatly depending on the region and family. These are the ingredients. I prepare dashi. Please refer to my video recipe number 4. I cut off the stalks of Chinese cabbage and Komatsuna, then cut it into 3 centimeters. I cut off the stalks of shiitake mushrooms, then cut the umbrellas in half. If you use dried one, soak them in water before using. I peeled the carrot and cut it into 5 mm slices, then cut it with a flower-shaped stamp. I peeled the daikon and cut it into 5 mm slices too. Then I cut each slice into quarters. I cut the chicken into small pieces. Pour the water in a pot and bring to boil. Then simmer the daikon and the carrot for 6 minutes. It's been 6 minutes. I strain them. I pour the dashi in the pot and heat it. When it boils, I add the chicken. Next, I add all the vegetables and the shiitake mushrooms. I cook them for a few minutes. I season with salt and soy sauce, then I add the mochi. I cook it for a few minutes at low heat until the mochi gets soft. By the way, mochi's shape is slightly different between Western region and Eastern region in Japan. I grew up with a round one, but I find a rectangular one in the place where I live now. Today I prepared my mother's O-zoni, so I used the round one. I served the soup in a bowl. Sprinkle some yuzu zest. For garnish, you can add also some sliced Kamaboko, which is a fish cake or surimi. A tip: if you don't find any mochi, you can substitute with Italian gnocchi, which is prepared with rice flour or normal flour. You can find their recipe in the box below. If you serve the O-zoni with a bowl of sekihan, which is azuki rice, your table will become more beautiful.
Thank you for watching. We will see you next time.